Yeah, here we have a Jet 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw, 3/4 horsepower, 115 volt. It appears to be unused. It's in really good condition. Has one little issue here. We'll show you. It has a little shipping distress. The pulley right here, just the last pulley, well, it's cracked, as you can see right here. Doesn't affect the operation of the machine. You just can't use this particular pulley. Easily replaceable by the parts of Jet, and we're going to power it up to show you that it does operate. Check the coolant pump. The coolant pump operates fine. It has a hydraulic downspeed. And then as the head comes down, this tab hits the switch, shuts the unit off. Now it also includes the belt shroud, 4 casters, 2 axles, the instruction manual, material stop. Of course, you get a sump screen. There's also an accessory here for vertical cutting, so you can actually do vertical cuts on this machine. You set it up as per the instructions. And we thank you for looking at our